All right, greetings from Sandia Peak. Hiking down one of the hiking trails here. And just off to the camera right is the peak. I'm going to be showing a little bit of that as B-roll on this. And then, anyways, first time I've been up here since 1972. What's that? 47 years. 46 and a half, actually. Anyways, I'm hiking down a trail in Sandia. And I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the views in the valley. And here in a little bit, I'm going to make my way down the mountain a little bit and try operating my drone, see how that does. But yeah, I sure am winded. Just a little bit of walking at over 10,000 feet, that does it to you. Anyways, that's all from me right now. Hope you all have a great day. Peace out. Bye.